Okay, hello everyone. This is gonna be a new series I'm gonna do where I'm gonna learn how to, game develop and code and everything, because I want to make video games, and that sounds pretty cool. I'm gonna show you a bit about kind of what I've done in the past, albeit it's really bad. I'm only gonna show one of the things, um, and it's block coding. It's not very good. I want to take a step up. I'm gonna use Godot for this. Okay, so this is the game I made. It's nothing too fancy. I'm not gonna really talk through it because I don't know how to mute this audio, but not mute my audio because I'm bad at this kind of stuff. So I'll just get into playing it. So basically, this game is you have to collect the orange orbs of light to win. If you get your points up to 100, your score up to 100, you win. Or if you kill the monster, or by getting the monster's health down to -20, you win. If your score reaches -20, or the monster's health reaches 100, you lose. When making it, I thought it was a pretty good game, but it's not. But what I've learned is that it's a pretty good prototype for an idea, and actually 3 game ideas have sprouted from it, or been developed, because I don't know how to code. So this series is basically just going to be me learning how to code so I can make those games. So yeah, I'm gonna get into watching some tutorials. First one going to be how to make a tile map. I'll put all the videos in the description. I'll also put this game in the description just in case if you want to play it. So yeah. Okay, so I just finished making this little tile map for the game I want to work on. Just wanted to get this out of the way so I can start making the map. Before anything else, I'm gonna have to make a character. I'm gonna make probably like a little character later on once I get to the having to make the controls, like the movement. This is the little tile map I have so far. We're gonna cut to the part where I'm like actually gonna be working on this, so yeah. I was working on this last night, for you like a second ago, but basically created this little sprite. I said earlier in this video that in this series I'd be learning how to make a little certain game, I think. There will be text on the screen somewhere showing if I did indeed say that. But I've decided that I will instead, for this little series, just learn how to like do basic mechanics, like moving a character. You don't want to know how, and also like placing tile maps down. You don't want to know how long that took me to figure out. So with this little test thing, I'm gonna learn that. But since this is me learning how to, make a game, I may as well show you how I learned about how to place down tile maps, because that's way harder than I thought it would be. So basically, you would want to create a new, a new thing. You want to then, what is that? You want to get a sprite. Then I don't really remember the static body 2D, and then a collision shape. So then once you have these down, you want to drag your tile map thing into the thing. So it's then there. Then you want to basically, it's collision shape. Then you want to change. You want to make that in the shape in the collision shape 2D into wherever, new rectangle square, and then you just want to fit it to your sprite. That is just for one texture. I don't know how to do the really big tile maps, but this will do for now. If you really wanted to, you could probably just add in a multiple of these if you really wanted to. But now, like, once you have this set up, you want to just you want to like where is it? I don't know. There's a way to make the sprite, this thing, into a TRES file, and then once you do that, you save it. You copy this, and then when you go into the world, you'll end up with this texture. I mean, it may not have the same name, but it'll have the same dot TRES file name, and then you just want to drag that onto the tile map, and then you want to add in this when you click on, I don't know, just watch this video. It's gonna be like somewhere on the screen. That'll give a much better explanation on how to do this. But yeah, so basically right now we're working on this character. I don't think I'm gonna do an animation because I don't know how to do that. Tried it. It looks hard. Don't want to do it. So basically, I'm just gonna have a little sprite, and we're just gonna use that as like, the thing. So yeah, I'm gonna get into that. so I now have this little sprite in the in here. I'm gonna, you know, add it to this. So we have that. It added this guy to a sprite for the player. Now added the collision shape. We're just gonna, you know, I've now added the collision shape. I'm gonna finish watching that tutorial video, and I'll be back once once I got this guy moving. So I watched more of the tutorial. I figured out how to get this guy to move around, but for whatever reason the jumping isn't working. But I think this is good progress for today, and I'm gonna call it off for the day, and bye.